Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. Just about 12 noon in Honolulu, 6 o'clock in New York. It is Tuesday, 19th day of February, 2019, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. After the shortened trading cycle and day yesterday in honor of the President's Day, we had a tremendous and sizable rally across the board in the precious metals markets. All of the precious metals did well today. Gold closed up over 1.5%, 1.66%, a $22 gain, and is currently tracking at 13.4410. Of course, we are long from 13.16 and change. We will talk about our current position, our exit strategy, as well as where we want to move our stop when we look at our technical studies. Silver had the smallest percentage gain, but still eked out a gain of 22 cents, $15.96. Platinum remains the one really under pressure, up $14 at $8.21. But traders, take a look at palladium. Palladium once again on the move. A gain of almost $50 today, $47.90. It is currently the king of the hill at $1,455.10. Now, all of that was helped with a weaker U.S. dollar today. Dollar down about 0.4%, a 38-point drop at 96.35. But traders realize this. If gold went up 1.66% and the dollar went down by, let's say, 0.4%, the differential, or 1.26%, is directly attributable to market participants bidding the precious yellow metal higher. There's been strong talk about a robust market in terms of physical purchases, and we can certainly see there's some real action in gold. Now, in terms of equities themselves, they were in essence unchanged. You had slightly higher prices, 25,891 in the Dow, and the Nasdaq gained almost 2% at 7486. Traders, what a respectable move in the market today. And although it is only Tuesday, when we look at our weekly charts, which is what I have up, we can see that we already have a pretty sizable green candle. We have seen green candles of this size, but recently we've had a multitude of them, and that has really been absent to the market, certainly as this market was selling off from about February of last year all the way down to these bottoms that came in August and September. Nonetheless, we are now at a point, because we have broken above some key areas that I believe could have been some sort of a resistance area. We, in my opinion, have one direction only and one price point to achieve, and that is to break this triple, quadruple top that has existed for multiple years at $1,370, because that is the real next technical level that is in play. And traders, we can really see what a phenomenal breakout to the upside we witnessed in gold today, and how it just burned through some levels that were, in my opinion, key levels to watch for support or resistance. First, the 0.23% retracement at 1312. That was pretty critical. Above that, of course, was the former top at $1,330. And when we take a look at the various areas in the market and where current pricing is, you can see that we're well above 1340, and there's really nothing left in terms of technical price structure that is below that. Everything right now is above that, from 1340 to 1370, and that is this top here that occurred back in April and May of last year. Traders, we are currently long. We got long from approximately 1316, so we got long really at a good positioned area, down well before we saw the spike up, but we do have a rather loose stop in the market currently. So my suggestion is that it is time to raise our stops, and what I'm looking to do is to raise them below the low that came in today, which was 1323.80. Therefore, my recommendation, traders, is to raise your stop to 1322.13. I will include that as we send out our letter and add the additional trade alert to the opening letter itself, as well as the email that we send out. Traders, obviously, maintain your current long position, maintain your stop at the new level we've just suggested, 1322 and change. And traders, no doubt, we have watched palladium move to historical record highs, and we have seen a consistent and a defined upward trend that has maintained the tact, meaning the angle of ascent, for quite some time, at least since October of 2018. You also know that I am on record looking for palladium to hit at least 1,500 before any kind of a real retracement. That sounded fairly far-fetched a couple of days ago, but with today's $47 gain, we are certainly within striking distance of that price. Lastly, I do want to thank all of our subscribers that emailed us yesterday requesting that we send them the login information for Thursday's live event. It will be an interactive event in which you'll be able to ask questions. We can all look at charts and kind of talk together as a community as to where we think this market is headed, what obstacles we could hit, and most importantly, have subscribers as well as myself have some feedback into our current market analysis. It is something I'm very excited about implementing, and I suggest that if you are able to make it Thursday, 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, I would greatly appreciate your presence, and I think you'll get a lot out of it. So if you have not emailed us yet, please go ahead and email us. The email address is now on the screen. Just send us a little note. We will send you the login information, and that will be sent sometime by Tuesday night. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.